for watching. Today we are doing a cook and clean with me for a weekday. I've never done one of these, but I feel like you guys would like this. It's very similar to like what I typically film, so if you do like it, please give it a thumbs up and I will keep them coming. And basically I'm just going to share with you guys what I eat on a typical weekday, when I eat it, and we're going to like pick up a little bit throughout the day in the kitchen, just like what I do on a daily basis in the kitchen. So yeah, I thought this would be fun to share. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you. I was gonna say hit the like button, but I keep saying that twice on accident, so I'm not gonna say that. I'm going to say hit the bell to be notified when a new video is posted, and let's get started. I also wanted to be sure to thank our sponsor, which is Scentbird. I have worked with Scentbird before. I will continue to work with them because I think Scentbird is super practical. I really like it. If you don't know what it is, it's a perfume subscription and you can get 30% off your first month for only $10 from the link below. It's typically $15, which is still a really good deal. And they have over 450 high-end and luxury perfumes like Tom Ford, Prada, and Gucci, and just like a million more. So I really like it because you can try very high-end things for a few dollars. Like, who doesn't like that? I love things like that, but I don't want to pay the full price, so that's why I like Scentbird. And real quick, I'm going to show you guys what I got this month, and you can get up to 3 perfumes now in your monthly box, so it's just like really cool and practical. I totally recommend that you guys check it out. And here's what I received this month from Scentbird. So they are doing even more than perfume. I've used a body scrub from them it literally smells like peach rings, you guys. It's super good, and these are a few of their lip products. I'm going to show those in just a second, but first I wanted to share their perfumes. So they come in a felt package like this, and then it's super easy to use. The only thing you do is just spin it like that, and then you can spray it. If you want to take it out, then you just will pull it out when it's open like that, and then you can put a new one in and spin it back, and then it's shut. So they're really easy to use. And the first scent is Amazing Grace. It's by Philosophy. This is perfect for every day. I'm sure a lot of you guys have probably heard of this because it's an extremely popular scent, and for good reason. It's just really good. I love this so much. It's like a little bit floral, and it's definitely like fragrance in there, but it isn't really overpowering. And the other one is by True Lust, and you guys can read the name of it. It's obviously in French, so I don't want to butcher that. This one is a little more fragrant and intense, and I totally think of this one for like a date night or a special occasion. And lastly, on the lip balms, I wanted to show you guys, they have a metal tip on them, so they're like really cold, and it just feels super refreshing in this summer heat. And I really like the pink champagne. They also have raw honey and modern rose, and this one is the green tea, so definitely check out those lip balms as well. Okay guys, it's around 10 a.m. I'm about to make breakfast. I typically will just have scrambled eggs throughout the week because it's super quick and easy. I can do this in like 3 minutes. So I just have some eggs and a Munster cheese. I'm going to do like half a slice and just put it in there. And then I just have regular butter in this pan. I'm also going to spray in a little bit of this avocado spray. And there is my breakfast, guys. Just scrambled eggs, nothing fancy. Again, with some Munster cheese. I just use whatever we have. Sometimes it is like a cheddar cheese or pepper jack. It has been a very busy day today. I don't think I said that it's a Monday, so I always have a water in front of me, and I always add in a splash of lemon juice. I know I probably shouldn't have it like every single day, but it just makes water taste so much better. And if I have a water in front of me, I will drink a ton of water, but if I don't, I like forget about it for the whole day. And then I just stick a metal straw in there, and we buy these straws on Amazon, so I will link them. I'm so thirsty. But obviously they are reusable since they're metal. So yeah, I always have like a big ice water. And then I'm going to make a salad real quick. Whenever I'm in a rush, I always make this salad because it's like the pre-packaged salad kit, but it's really good, so I'm going to show that to you guys real quick. And here's what the salad kit looks like. This one is the Chipotle Cheddar. It's by Dole. I typically will buy the organic ones. This one's not organic. my lunch for today. So I have that salad I was telling you guys about with a side of black beans that I'm going to mix in there. And then a side of grapes and my water, and I'm waiting for Chad to come home. He should be here soon. He said he's going to bring me an iced coffee, so I'll show that to you guys too. Right now it is about 3 o'clock. I'm about to wash some dishes, put stuff away from last night, and just pick up a little bit before this mess gets too out of control. I'm drinking my iced coffee. I'm probably finished for the day. I feel like I've had like way too much caffeine at this point, but I will save this for tomorrow. And by the way, I feel like you guys are going to ask about this dress. It's from Forever 21 and I love it because it has these pockets on it, so it's like super comfortable. If they still have it, I will link it for you. If not, I will link something similar, but I just think it's really cute and fun. I love the shape of it, and it has snap buttons on it, like all the way down, so really comfortable and easy. One of you guys asked me the other day if I still get ready since I work from home, and yes, I do get ready every day. I don't know, I just don't feel like ready for the day if I don't like put on a face and an outfit and all that stuff on a weekday. Plus sometimes I do like Skype calls that are face-to-face, so I have to be ready for that. But I don't know, like I don't feel like I'm in work mode if I'm not like ready, if that kind of makes sense. So yeah, hopefully that answers your question. Sometimes I see that question, but I've been seeing it like way more recently, so I just figured I'd throw that in. Will you tell my friends what we're eating?
We got rotisserie chicken that I'm gonna warm.
Wait, you can't open that while you talk.
Rotisserie chicken that I'm gonna warm on the grill. Zucchini and little gem lettuce that I'm gonna season with truffle salt. And then fresh radish.
It's like really strong. And then side note, we just got these dining chairs in for the side of the table. We're gonna have like really big chairs on the end, but I think they are too short and I'm really bummed because I was so excited about these. I really wanted like skinny, simple chairs on the sides, but the back of the chair is literally like a few inches taller than the height of the table, so those probably are not going to work.
So you just do these really fast.
Why don't we put away the higher chairs and put out all four so then you're not like seeing the height difference?
That's what I just said.
What? Chad, you didn't. He didn't. And just raw radish. Yeah. You're extra healthy today.
It's delicious.
And that's all for my first cook and clean with me. If you did like this, please give it a thumbs up so I know to make more of these. Definitely check out the links below for recent videos, product recommendations, all that good stuff. And if you are new, please subscribe. I would love to have you, and I will see you guys right here in a few days in a brand new video.